Well, hey there, folks. It's been pretty dry up here in northern Nevada this summer. We just had a storm. I heard the thunder inside, and well, you can see the rain's coming down out here. So I figured I'd come make a video before it ends. That's how they usually are up here. You'll get a downpour, and then it'll all be gone. The winds were blowing real strong here about a few minutes ago, but kind of calmed down a little bit. You can hear the thunder though. If I would have known it was coming, I would have taken the cushions off and put them up. And I was going to mow the grass this evening too. I guess that'll have to wait. Yeah, this just kind of came out of nowhere. All right, folks, thanks for watching.